Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're out here in Sunderland, Massachusetts at one of our self-storage facilities, and we're checking up on some tenants that haven't paid, haven't responded. We've sent them all the notices and we're doing the legal process of checking out if they vacated. So we had to cut the locks and see if they're vacant. We're gonna go play with some of these locks. So here's one of the big guys. So they haven't paid, we put an overlock on this. They got the tenant lock here. They actually haven't paid even the prior people we bought it from in February. So it's been a while since they've paid or responded. So we sent them all the legal notices, and now we're checking out what we got here and see what we're gonna do for possible having a auction or a foreclosure auction ourselves, where this actually gets done online for the self-storage. It's a lot cheaper than bringing someone out here. So overlock's off. Now this is the fun stuff. All right. Boom, boom. Fun. All right, so what do you think we're gonna find? I mean, they could have vacated and there could be nothing in here. I mean, probably not, but let's check this out. Ready? This is the first time I'm seeing this. So we've got some stuff here. I don't know. Nothing, it looks all kind of junk-wise. Doesn't look anything. Maybe some records. Nothing. What? Some tools, some little stuff, but nothing. There's some crowbars. Nothing of great value here. So we'll kind of take some pictures, lock it back up with the overlock. Naya, come on. Come on, good girl. And we will get this ready for auction. Again, we've overlocked these people. They haven't paid us. Well, they haven't even paid the prior owners that we bought. So it's been, looks about 7 months since they've paid. We tried working with them, reach out to them, send text messages, emails. Then we sent the legal notices, and now we are here to check out what is in store of this unit. All right. Kevin wouldn't have been able to do that. But, so it's my first time seeing it. This could be vacant, could be nothing in here, or this could be hidden treasure. Okay. Nothing fancy so far. Some just junk, really. The heck? The traffic light thing? Weird. I mean, nothing great. We'll get this ready for the auction. Oh, a game of Risk. Nice. I love Risk. When I was younger, played with my mom all the time. She always pinned my dad or my brother against me. So she'd wait till we kind of fought each other, then she'd come in and just wipe at the floor with us. Crazy. She's evil. But yeah. Woo! Fuzzy dice. Come on, Jeff. So I'm going to document which unit this was, but then I'm also going to take pictures of everything in here so I can get this ready for the online auction for the storage. Hopefully we might recover some of the money that we've lost from them not paying us. Otherwise, we basically take it back and then we trash it out. We actually bought this as a package deal, so we got it for a good deal, but also because more than half of the property was vacant. Half of that was not paying, and then the gate over there was wide open and not functioning for over 2 years. Simple value add, fix the gate. 25, 24, 23, 22. Oof, right in the sun. Okay, so overlock. Oh, there it is. Probably get one of them. All right. Ooh, this is a thicker one. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah! All right. Here we go. All right, just in case, you know. Fragile, China, cheap, someone's clothing. I think this was a very old unit as well. So my guess is they just never left town, decided, you know, they weren't paying it, whatever, and then just abandoned the unit. So we'll send a note. We got one more notice. We got to post it on a local newspaper for a couple weeks prior to our auction. Then we have an online auction, and we'll post some of the pictures I'm going to take from the unit. And maybe someone will think there's some hidden treasures in here, and they'll pay for at least what we are owed to this. Because right now in this, I think this one we have owed $300. So if we can get $300 plus maybe a little bit for the cost for the actual auction, we'll actually net out $0, which will be great. We'll get our money back. So this actually came with an extra lot that is fenced in, but it's just never been approved for actual storage. So we're going to the town and we're working with an engineer to get this lot right over there approved. If we can do that, we're gonna probably get another 100 to 150 units of regular self-storage, or maybe we'll do actually climate controlled self-storage, and then we get maybe like 40 climate controlled. So that's another value add, baby. All right, we got another one. Let's see what's inside. An actual painting. Everyone always says they have paintings in these things. There's actual painting in here. Another painting. Wow, I wonder if there's any like artist name on these things? Gold rimmed glasses. I saw gold and I got excited. Aunt Rosie's dishes. I mean, poor Aunt Rosie. More of Aunt Rosie's stuff. Aunt Rosie. Bunch of books. Yep, more books, old books. Yeah, nothing crazy. So one thing we're finding out that with self-storage, which is fantastic, is it can be much more hands-off than your regular residential tenants. You can set up a lot of automation, whether it be the gate. There's even these things for the locks that they don't even have to get locked, so you don't have to all overlock people. It's kind of expensive, so we haven't switched to that yet, but there are all these kind of automations, which you can see a higher return if you're not going. And then with the other thing with self-storage like we have right now, not the ones that are climate controlled, but these, there's just a roof. There's no electrical except for your outside lights. And so it's just basically a roof and door. So very minimal maintenance and very little upkeep that you need to do. So it's fantastic as far as return on investment. I mean, we're seeing generally on some of our self-storage 18 to 20-something% cash on cash return. So that's good all day long. Thanks for following us while I walk around our self-storage facility. Make sure you stay tuned for more tips and tricks on real estate investing. And if you're interested in foreclosures, check out our book, Foreclosures Unlocked.